as we go through this ladder, I want you to know a couple things. We have a passion, and this passion is to help people accomplish far more than they ever thought possible with their personal finances. Through these sessions, we're going to talk about how we can take God's word, apply it to our finances in a way that we can prosper. If you're ready for that, say yes. Awesome. Well, we're fired up for it. It's going to be awesome. We're going to go through the ladder.
Did you know that 60% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? Or that 37% can't cover an emergency expense of $400? Or that 68% have less than 1 month of living expenses and savings? Hi, my name is Megan, and our goal with the I Was Broke Now I'm Not group study is to help the people in your church successfully manage money and find freedom in their personal finances from a biblical perspective. This group study is 6 sessions. Each session is geared towards providing practical help and encouragement, because money is a journey, not a moment. It takes time, but we believe the people in your church can win with their money God's way. Let's break down each of the 6 sessions. In session 1, we'll introduce you to the Fully Funded Life Ladder. The Fully Funded Life Ladder is your step-by-step guide to achieving financial freedom. It provides a clear and concise roadmap for each step of your financial journey. After this session, participants will walk away knowing what rung of the ladder they're on and what their next step is. We'll also cover the foundational elements you need on your financial journey and some areas people commonly skip over. In session 2, we will discuss how to get started on your budgeting journey by creating a budget that actually works. Budgeting can seem challenging, but it's a critical part to achieving financial freedom. Without a budget, a lot of your financial journey can just be guesswork. So during this session, we'll cover the basics of budgeting, including how to create a budget that works for you, ways to track your expenses, and how to stay motivated and disciplined to stick to your budget. We'll also explore some common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them, as well as tips for staying on track and making the most of your money. In session 3, we'll discuss the importance of building your savings. We'll share why savings is a critical component of achieving financial freedom. We'll also explore the different types of savings accounts and strategies for building your savings, including how to set goals, automate your savings, and prioritize your spending to maximize your saving potential. In session 4, we'll talk about debt. This topic is a big one. And for many people, it's the biggest obstacle standing in the way of what they see as financial freedom. During this session, we'll discuss various debt repayment strategies, including the debt snowball, explore how to create a debt repayment plan that works for you, and other tips like a 0% balance transfer credit cards. We'll also cover common mistakes people make when paying off debt and how to avoid them. In session 5, we'll be discussing investing. We'll explore the different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. We'll also discuss the importance of asset allocation and diversification. Now, if you're thinking, you've already lost me, hang in there. Joe does a great job of breaking this topic down. Everyone can become a confident investor. We'll also cover common mistakes people make when investing and how to avoid them, as well as strategies for managing risk and maximizing returns. In session 6, we'll discuss the importance of insurance. Insurance is a critical component for protecting your financial future. During this session, we'll explore the different types of insurance, including what they cover, how to determine the right amount of coverage for your needs. We'll also discuss the various factors that can affect insurance premiums and how to find the best insurance policies at the most affordable prices. Because who doesn't love finding the best prices? We'll also cover common mistakes people make when selecting insurance policies and how to avoid them. We'll make insurance so interesting and exciting, trust me. And last but not least, we've thrown in a bonus session of how to sustain your gains. Achieving financial freedom is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey that requires discipline and commitment. So we're going to explore the importance of maintaining the habits and strategies that help you achieve the financial success and how to avoid common pitfalls that could derail your progress. Our hope is that everyone who participates in this study walks away with hope, encouragements, and the keys to accomplish their plans, hopes, and dreams. We want people to be able to dream big again. We desire for participants to accomplish their plans, hopes, and dreams. Our goal is to help people do exactly what they've been put on earth to do, regardless of the cost or income potential. People can win with their money. Let's get started today.